Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will give a speech on the Nalanda University. Nalanda is an international research intensive university located in the historical city of the Rajgir in Bihar in India. Nalanda University, also known as the Nalanda International University. Nalanda International University is an international and research intensive university located in the historical city of the Rajgir in Bihar in India. It was established by an act of the parliament to emulate the famous incident of the University of the Nalanda, which functioned between the 5th and the 13th century. The idea to resurrect Nalanda University was endorsed in the 2007 at the East Asia Summit, represented by mostly by the Asian country, including China, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, apart from Australia and New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 country, China, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, Australia, and New Zealand. Singapore, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, and Vietnam. The 6 countries are there. Singapore, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, and Vietnam. And such the university is seen as one of the flagship of the project of the government of India. It has been designated as an international institution of the national importance by the parliament and began its first academic session on the 1st September 2014. Initially set up by the temporary facilities in the Rajgir, a modern campus spanning over the 160 acre, 400 acres is expected to be finished by the 2020. This campus, upon completion, will be the largest of its kind in India and one of the largest in Asia. The first chancellor of the university was the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen. The first chancellor of the university was the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, followed by the former Singapore Minister of the Foreign Affairs, George Yeo, followed by the former Singapore Minister of the Foreign Affairs, George Yeo. Nalanda is exclusively a graduate school, currently only offering master courses, with PhD programs starting in the gradual phases from the 2020. Nalanda University, type Central University, established 2014. Chancellor Vijay P. Bhatkar, Vice Chancellor Professor Sunaina Singh, academic staff 30, students 130. Location is the Rajgir near the Nalanda, Bihar, India. Campus is the urban. Website Nalanda Education is there. Contacts, formation and the construction, Nalanda University build international funding, infrastructure and architecture classes, School of Languages and the Humanity. organization and the administration, governance, schools and departments. Timeline, see also references, external links, foundation and the construction. Nalanda University Bill. On 28 March 2006, the 11th President of the India The Nalanda University Bill was passed on the 21st August 2010 in the Rajya Sabha, on the 26th August 2010 in the Lok Sabha. The bill received presidential assessment on the 21 September 2010, thereby becoming an act. The university came into existence on the 25th November 2010 when the act was implemented. International funding was there. The most important thing is the important funding is from the Australia, Thailand, Laos, Indonesia has given the fund of the 124 million, US 127 million. Despite the international dimension of the project being repeatedly states the total amount of the receipt from the participating country in the East Asia Summit. However, out of this total, 1 billion promised by the surprising the foreign government contribution, former Chancellor George Geo initiative to raise the funds from the private Singaporean has led to the place to the 10 million Singaporean dollar for the library building. Singaporean dollar. 10 million Singaporean dollar. For 88.9 million for the library building. Japan promised to finance and construct but has not paid anything. Singapore may not pay for the library. Now you has the Singapore may not pay for the library now that you has resigned. Gopa Sabharwal has been appointed the first vice chancellor of this university in the February 2011. It has been estimated US 500 million will be required to build the new facility, with a further US 500 million needed to sufficiently improve the surrounding infrastructure. The group is looking for the donations from the government, private individuals and the religious groups. The state government of the Bihar handed over 179 acre, 443 acre of the land acquired from the local people to the university, where the construction has begun. It has a dream project of the Chief Minister of the Bihar, Nitish Kumar. The state government of the Bihar handed over 180 hectare of the land required for the local people to the university, where the construction has begun. It is a dream project of the Chief Minister of the Bihar, Nitish Kumar. Infrastructure and the architecture. First, based architecture design, a global competition was held for the construction of the International State-of-the-Art Institution. Whitaker Prize laureate B.S. Dhosmi firm, Vastu Shilpa consultant, have been selected as the winner of the design competition, with the DS providing the triple net zero energy, water and the waste strategic plan. Classes, the assessment session of the university started on the 1st September 2014 with the 15 students in the School of the Historical Study and School of the Ecological and the Environmental Study. A hotel operated by the Bihar State Tourism Development Corporation in the Rajgir would provide initial hostel accommodation. The School of Languages and the Humanity, the School of the commences into operation with 1 year of the postgraduate diploma program in Hindi, Japanese, Sanskrit, but it will gradually expand to include other programs in Indian and the foreign language. Organization and the administration. Governance, the university's visitor is the President of India. The university's visitor is the President of the India. The chancellor and the chairperson of the governing board is the Vijay Bhatkar. The vice chancellor is the Sunaina Singh. The government body comprises the chancellor, vice chancellor, 5 members of the country with the highest contribution from the India, Australia, Laos, and the Thailand. A secretary of the 2 representatives from the government of Bihar, a representative from the Ministry of the Human Resource Development, and the 3 persons in the category of the renowned academician of the educationist Arvind Sharma, Lokesh Chandra, Arvind Fangaria. School and department. Currently, 4 schools have been established. School of the Historical Study, School of the Ecology and the Environmental Study, School of the Buddhist Study, Philosophy and the Comparative Religion, School of the Management Study, MBA in the Sustainable Development and the Management. The following schools will be started in the later phase manner. School of the Language and Literature, School of the International Relations and the Peace Study, School of the Information Science and Technology, School of the Business Management, Public and the Development. These are the 4 schools have been started and 4 schools to be started. This is the beautiful picture. On 9 December 2006, the New York Times detailed a plan spent of the 1 billion to revive the Nalanda University near the ancient site. A consortium led by the Singapore and including the India, Japan, and other nations will attempt to raise 500 million to build a university and another 500 million to develop necessary infrastructure. The wholly consisting of the skull bone in the crystal cascade was to move from the Patna Museum to the. On the 28th May 2010, Marian reported that the revived university enrollment will be the 137 in the first year and the 4 or 5 by the 5th. In the second phase, enrollment reached 5812. On the 12th June 2007, New Post India reported that the Japanese diplomat Noro Masu had that the Japan will fund the setting of the international university in the Nalanda in Bihar. The report goes on to say that the proposed university will be fully residential like the ancient seat of the learning at the Nalanda. In the first phase of the project, 7 schools with the 46 foreign faculty members and the 400 Indian academicians would come up. The university will impart courses in the science, philosophy, and the spiritual along with the other subjects. A renowned international scholar will be its chancellor. On August 15 August 2007, the Times of India reported that on May 2010, NDTV reported that according to the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, the foundation of the university would likely be in the year 2009, and the first teaching class could begin in a few years from then. Sen was the head Nalanda Mentor Group and said that final report in this regard is expected to be presented to the East Asia Summit in the December 2008. On the May 2008, the Times of India reported that the host nation India, consortium of the East Asian country, met in New York to further discuss the Nalanda plan. It was decided that the Nalanda would largely be a postgraduate research university with the following schools: Buddha study, philosophy, comparative religion, historical study, international relations and the peace, business management and the development, language and the literature, and the ecological and environment history. The objective of the university was to be claimed among the advancing the concept of the Asian community and rediscovering the relationship. In the December 2006, in May 2001, Giorgio confirmed his support to the project to the Nitish Kumar. During May, Nitish Kumar also said S.M. Krishna to receive the reassurance that the central government would allocate the sufficient fund to the project. On 7 July 2011, News One reported that the global competition will be held to get the best architectural design for the Nalanda International University at the ancient seat of the learning in the Bihar. Officials said, for the sake of the best design for the Nalanda University, a global competition will be held on soon. The said encasing a member of the Nalanda Mentor Group headed by the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen. On 16 September 2010, GNU reported that the former president, on to 15, the Economic Times announced On May 2012, G News announced that the architecture student from the Nalanda University of the Singapore has drawn a master plan for the revival of the ancient Nalanda University. They wish to present his draft plan to the Nalanda University director later this year and participated in the final competition of the Nalanda campus master plan. According to the NGC Jia, the group leader of the architecture student from the Nalanda NUS, Nalanda University of National University of the Singapore. Times of India reported that the work for the construction of the university would begin by the December 2013. It would be a net zero campus and will be used green technology like the DBP. Vastu Silpa consultant and Ahmedabad won the architecture design contest for the university and will build the campus. In May 2014, Times of India reported that the Nalanda University will start classes from the September 2014. The September 2014, the Telegraph reported on the first batch of the students to study at the university. On 15 February 2015, Amartya Sen wrote on open letter to the governing body expressing regret that he had to leave the post of the chancellor by June 2005 due to the central government's deliberate inaction over his term renewal decision. He lamented the political influence in the academic matters. On 19 February 2015, Amartya Sen wrote an open letter to the governing body of expressing regret that he had to leave the post of the chancellor by the June 2015 due to the central government's deliberate inaction over his term renewal decision. He lamented the political influence in the academic matter. In 6 July 2015, Georgiou, former minister of the Singapore, take charge as the new chancellor of the Nalanda University. On 25 November 2016, Georgiou resigned as the chancellor of the Nalanda University, accusing the Indian government of failing to maintain the university's autonomy. This came following sudden replacement of the governing body with a new one, ending of the long-standing association of the eminent person like the Amartya Sen with the university. Vijay Pandurang Pandurang has been appointed the new chancellor on the 25 January 2017 by the President Pranab Mukherjee in his capacity as visitor to the Nalanda University. 29 May 2007, interim Vice Chancellor Pankaj Mohan resigned after the student protest, claiming in September 2007, BJP General Secretary Ram Madhav tweeted, "Stunt to near the dead Amartya Sen's Nalanda University resigned, had a course on the politics of the yoga taught by the foreigner. New course abolished. The course was taught during the Bhatkar's tenure as a chancellor. Subsequently, the university threatened the professor and refused to release her final pay. The course started during the Bhatkar's tenure as the chancellor. Subsequently, the university threatened the professor and refused to release her final pay. In October 2017, Scroll reported that the Romanian student had been assaulted on the campus. These are the university there: Patna University, Purnia University, Munger University, Patliputra University, Aryabhatta Knowledge University. These are the references. Param to the head in Nalanda University of the Times of India. Professor Sunaina Singh appointed Vice Chancellor of the Nalanda University. Devraj Pandey. Ashish Sinha, Nalanda University sat on the reopen in 10. Amartya on the faculty. Global competition for the Nalanda University design. global design competition for the Nalanda University. Winner of design competition. Nalanda International University began its first session. Governance at the Nalanda University. The 7 school of the Nalanda University. Japan eager to invest in the Nalanda University. Press release, distribution. Claim to join. CM 6 funds for the Nalanda University. Singapore students master plan for the Nalanda University. Nalanda University campus work to begin this December. Nalanda University to start classes in the September. Amartya Sen. Modi government does not want me to continue as a Nalanda University Chancellor. Amartya Sen. Dr. Amartya Sen's letter to the board of the member of the Nalanda University. The Nalanda University, Singapore's former foreign minister, Georgiou resigns as a chancellor of the India National University. Nalanda University's autonomy hit, Chancellor Georgiou quits. Founder of the Indian superconducting, Dr. Bhatkar appointed new vice chancellor of the Nalanda University. Madhav stunned to hear the Amartya Sen's Nalanda University resign, had a course on the politics of the yoga taught by the foreigner. New course was abolished. Chaudhary Shreya Roy, it is a closed piece. Why students are quitting Nalanda University? These are the lecture of the Nalanda University. We are talked about the Nalanda University, and the chancellor is the BJP Bhatkar, and the vice chancellor Professor Suraina Singh. Academic staff 30, students 130. Location the Nazgir near Nalanda, Bihar. The first chancellor of the university was the Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, followed by the former Singapore Minister for the Foreign Affairs, Georgiou.